leakage, guys. Now we got a little bit of leakage. Alright, so this thing is super quiet. Very, very quiet. This annoying leak here. Fix that. Here a little bit. There's a little bit of leakage, as you can see. Now, I am getting a lot better pressure out of my micro sprinkler heads. They are flowing a lot better, as you can see. Spraying a lot better. Maybe set this one a little more. Yeah, for the most part, they are spraying a lot nicer. See, that one's spraying nice, that one. This one. Let's see over here. This one's spraying that nice. Better. Bouncing around here. Just adjusting. Just adjusting here now. Uh-oh. This one's kind of bummed. Why that one's not spraying that nice. Those ones are spraying nice. Spraying nice. But yeah, that is the answer to what I need. Very quiet pump. As you can see, there is some leakage right now, but I'll end up fixing that the right way. Very super quiet pump. I am pleased with it. I got this on Amazon. One other thing I want to check is for my hanging baskets. I open the valve up for my hanging baskets here. Where's that at? So I can put that to run it up to my hanging baskets. See here where I got it tucked away. Anyways, that is the answer to what I need. Very quiet pump, as you can see. Some people say these things are loud. This thing ain't loud. It's got its own fan on it to cool it off. Yeah, I am pleased as it has increased the pressure. You can see how my sprinkler heads for the micro irrigation are spraying now perfectly. So yeah, I am pleased with that. Alright. This was just a mock-up anyways of it. Just a test run of it. It's running nice. I like it. It's quiet. It works. I asked a question on Amazon. I got my answer. They told me it would work. They were right. It does work. A fellow Amazonian told me. Yeah, it works. And I'm going to shut her off now. Anyways, I'm going to have to seal these fittings better. And we'll go from there. I think what I'm going to do on here is I'm going to put a quick disconnect on that. This hose is under major pressure here. Wow. There's some air in there. I gotta get it to push out that air. There we go. Yeah, this hose here is under major pressure right here. I don't know how many PSI she is, but she's quite a bit, I would say. Yeah, she's got quite a bit of pressure now. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Resourceful Marcus. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. Hopefully you're able to see this video the right way, how I did it. Again, there's that, they call it a garden or a shallow well jet pump garden pump. So this is my new garden pump for my micro irrigation, and I am pleased with it. It's pricey, but it's doing what I need it to do, and I'm happy with it. Alright, so I'm going to sign off for now. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate it.